Okay, so today I just got the new Bulldozer ability in Squid Game. And yeah, I have no idea what this ability does. Some people say this ability is very good, but I don't know. So let's just test it out in the real game. Okay, so we're in the first game. Yeah, so let's just test this ability out. Oh, you can knock people. Oh, and you just fall on the ground afterwards. Not looking good so far. I mean, it would kind of be good if you didn't fall straight on the ground as soon as you get there. Oh, oops. Okay, let's just collect some of my sand. Do a little aura farm. Okay, yes. Okay, come on, I gotta keep going. Keep going. Does it? If I use the steamroller ability, will it stop the bullets or no? I have no idea. Let's test it out on somebody. Yeah, let's just. What? Boom! Boom! Oh my gosh. Okay, that's kind of funny. Not gonna. Oh, I eliminated him. That ability was kind of. Bruh, I'm sorry. That ability was kind of crazy though. I literally just killed him. That was kind of crazy though. The ability does not stop the bullets. Hello? Okay, let's go now. Yeah, but that's P-Bert! Oh my gosh. I forgot I already claimed this one. Yeah. Hi, P-Bert. He's such a beautiful man or woman. I don't know. Okay, why would I say man or woman? He's definitely a man with that. With those eyebrows. Yeah, except let's move to the next game already. Okay, so now we're in Dalgona, and let's just hope I get something easy like a triangle. Let's just hope I don't get the Mona Lisa. Yeah, I don't got lighter, so yeah, that would be kind of difficult. Okay, I got the triangle. Yes. Okay. Now let's just complete this triangle with ease. Come on. Okay, let's just boom, 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 boom. Oops. That totally won't happen again. Okay, let's just do. Oops. Okay, maybe that will happen one more time. Okay, there. Finally, I finished the cookies without any cracks. Totally. Okay, now we're in Lights Out. Now I don't know how this ability is supposed to be useful in Lights Out. I mean, let me check if it does damage. If it does damage, then that's kind of good, I guess. But I'm pretty sure this ability does none. Yeah, come here, Goofy. Yeah, that does no damage, though. Yeah, we'll just see what I can do in Lights Out, I guess. Okay, so we're in Lights Out now, and come here, boy. You did nothing wrong, but I just want to. Ooh. Is that Mickey Mouse? Oh, hi, Mickey. Mickey being in Squid Game be like? He would be a menace. Okay, buddy boy, you're actually starting to get me low. Stop. Stop. In the name of the law, stop. It's illegal to kill people, so don't. Okay, dang, Mickey, very good. Mickey is a boss. Why is he actually like hard to get, bro? Die! Oh my god, bro, this is Mickey. Oh yes, I got Mickey. Oh my gosh, Mickey, get away from me. Are you? You're teaming with Mickey. Well, of course you are. Not gonna lie. Oh wow, Mickey's not a. Ooh, I just got flashbanged. Yeah, let's just use that. Come here, Mickey. Come here. Oh, okay, bruh. You didn't have to blow me up. I did nothing wrong to deserve that. Okay, let's just where's Mickey? I need Mickey. Baby Mickey. Baby Mickey. Oh, yes. Kill him. Kill baby Mickey. Please. He tried killing me. So, yeah, kill him, boy. Get him, boy. Okay, come on, come on. Mickey Mouse, where are you? Okay, I think we killed him. We killed Mickey Mouse. Yeah! Yes, we killed Mickey Mouse. That's all that matters to me. I killed Goofy's friend, so yes. Okay, so we're in hide and seek now, and let's just hope I get higher, because with Seeker, there's barely anything you can do with this room. So please, I'm begging, please. No! Bro, I got red? Why? This ability is not good for red people. For Seekers, bro. How is this ability supposed to be good? Come on. Get the cutscene over with. We got Broccoli Man. Oh wow, I love Broccoli Man. I hate broccoli. Okay, come on already. Get the cutscene over with. Come on. Come on. Okay. Now, maybe I can trick a Seeker into coming with me. Nah, no, wanna come with me. Run! Die! Get out the door! Yes! I got a kill. I got a kill, that's all that matters. Wait. I did not mean to do that. Okay, whatever, I got a kill, that's all that matters. Oh yeah. Wait, I hear somebody opening the door. Die. Hi, Roblox Igor. Yeah, I'm sorry, buddy. Buddy boy, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to kill you, though. I'm very sorry. Die. Die, boy! Die! Okay, bro. Don't throw a grenade. Okay, yes. Where is Roblox Igor? Where is he? Okay. Wait, I hear somebody opening the door over here. Bro, where is he? He's not a hacker, right? He shouldn't be a hacker. I mean, he hasn't been doing any hacker moves. Bro, where is this killing I hear? Wait, is it from that room? Bro, I can't find any more hiders. Come on, let me find more hiders, please. Pretty please. Wait, I hear something coming from here. So maybe here is where all the hiders have been, are? Where are them? Oh, there you are. Die! Die! Buddy boy. Die! Get pushed, too. There. Okay, dang. There's barely any more hiders. Where is everyone, bro? Oh, yes! Come here! Oh, man. Anyone here? Let's just shut the door. Bruh. Okay, where is everyone now? Okay. Die. Okay, never mind. You know what happens when you go inside that door. Wait! I saw somebody. Bro, where is everyone? Bruh. Did somebody just teleport? How is he already down? How is he already downstairs? Yeah. Wait, P-Birds? Oh, yeah, I've already claimed P-Birds. Why is P-Bird hiding in the walls, though? Kinda weird. He glitched into the walls. Okay, come on. Next game. Okay, so we're in, first person in hide and seek. Where is P-Bert, bro? Like, I haven't found P-Bert in hide and seek in forever. Like, where is he at this point? P-Bert, where are you? I want your lucky spins. No. Okay, I want power rolls. Why did I call them lucky spins? This ain't Blue Mountain. Okay, come on. Come on. Wait, I forget. I have to dash. Stop! You're ruining it. Stop. Bro, why is it not letting me push? Oh, now I know how to do this. Okay, bro. My parkour skills are very good. Those are some very good parkour skills. Come on, let's get this cutscene over with. Okay, come on. Can I use the steamroller ability inside? Never mind. That would have been great. Imagine they forgot to make the steamroller ability not usable in jump rope. That would be kind of crazy. And then I would have just knocked everyone off the platform. But yeah, let's just finish this with easy peasies. Okay, that was pretty easy. Okay, so we're in Glass Bridge now, and of course you can't use this ability during Glass Bridge. That would be kind of dumb if you could. I would probably fall off the platform. Okay, run. Okay, come on. Yes, I will take it first. Okay, never mind. How dare you! You monster! Oh. You monster. I want you to know that. You monster. You turned around at me. You monster. I want you to know that, buddy boy. I want you to know that. Oh no. I'm not going. Bro, we got this guy. Oh! That's too scary. Ugh. I'll go behind you, man. I'm not going in front. Bro literally just eliminated somebody. I would have done the same thing, not gonna lie. Yeah, we're standing on this platform. No one's going, bro. Bruh, somebody go already. No. Oh my gosh. I dodged. We know. Oh my gosh. Dang, someone's aura farming it. Okay, somebody just aura farmed. That was a good aura farm, I guess. Okay, so we're in Mingle now, and yeah, if I get like if there's no more rooms, I can just use this emote to glitch like this. That's how you glitch right there. Come on, when's the game starting? Come on, this is getting kind of awkward. Come on, come on. I'm not sure if he's talking to me because we're teaming, or if he's talking to somebody else. I'm gonna just say yes. Okay, never mind. Come on. Bro, why is the game not starting? It's not broken, right? I swear, if it's broken and I did all of this for nothing, I'm gonna be mad, bro. Okay, thank you. Come on, let's start the game already. Can I use the steamroller ability? Come on, can I use the steamroller ability inside here? I can! Die! Oh, wow. Hey, why my body doing that? Get into rooms of one. I'm out, bye. Oh my gosh! Yo, he's protecting me! I know. Yo. 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 Yes. Okay, I got into a room. I got into a room. I was saved, bro. I was saved. That was a crazy clutch. My plot armor. That was crazy, though. I'm so lucky I didn't die. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, come on. Run, run, run. Yes! No! Jesus! No, we left Jesus! Stop, we need you. Oh my gosh, he saved me! He saved me, yo! He saved me! He saved me! He saved me! I'm so happy. I almost died and I was about to say, yo, chill, chill, chill. Okay, I'm so lucky I survived that though. I guess we gotta do Sky Squid Game now. Okay, Sky Squid Game. Now, I really hope I win. There's no abilities allowed in this game, so we just gotta hope for the best. And hope I win, please. Come on. I hope I win. Come on. Boom. Push somebody. This animation. Why am I always the one getting drop kick in the animations, bro? Fight back! Fight back! Someone start the game! Start! Give me the pole! Bruh, it won't let me get the pole. Die! Die! Oh my gosh, yo. I just got double punched. Get away! Stop! I did nothing wrong to y'all. Oh, wait. Okay, one eliminated. One eliminated. Why are we still fighting? I don't want to fight anymore. Bro, I'm not really trying to fight anymore. These people. Okay, I think we're chilling. We're chilling. We good? We chilling. Okay. Whew, now I can finally relax. Dang, all of them are ready to fight at any time, any moment. Why is why is the music so aggressive? Like, what is that? Throw the pole! Oh no, I had a chance to throw the pole, except I messed up. Whatever, we go to the next game now. Okay, this is even smaller and my back is starting to hurt. I'm not sure if I can do this. Come on, come on. Fight back! Wait, yo. No, no, wait, yes! Wait, bro, I don't know how to do this. Yes! I'm back and I'm stronger than ever. I'm back and I'm stronger than ever. I'm back. I'm strong. Yo. Okay, I got the pole again. No, Jesus! Okay, okay. I killed my teammate. No, this can't be happening. Why? Yo, everyone chill. Everyone's chill, right? Everyone's a chill person. No, wait. Bruh, I'm missing everything. Oh, I survived. How much plot armor do I have? Okay, one more hit and I'm dead. One more hit and I'm dead. None of us are getting the pull. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yo, I win! I win! Oh, I win! I win! I win! Yo. Yo! Bro really said easy. I win. That's how much plot armor I have. Dang. That was some very good plot armor. But I win. Whew. My back hurts because I've been standing in this chair for so long. Oh my gosh. My heart is racing. Oh my gosh. Well, at least I did it. That took long enough. Bro really said easy. Except for some reason I have so much plot armor that I survived 2 times. In-game gods have given me two more chances. That's how much chances they gave me. My money didn't really go up, but that doesn't matter. What matters is the power roll. Okay, let's see what we get from this one power roll. It's probably not even gonna be anything good. Wait, oh, I got player 100. Maybe I'll make another video on that. I don't know. Heard it's pretty OP, but whatever. But guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.